When I visited military days at Panzermuseum East, I brought my current project, the Stridsvagn 105 or Centurion. This was a good opportunity to test the design in some real terrain and to see if the drivetrain was holding up. At the compound, there were the guys that drove 1:16 scale tanks. They had a beautiful course for the models, with lots of terrain obstacles, and even though our tanks were a tiny bit bigger, my friend and I were invited to have a go on that track. I couldn't think of a better way to test the 105's maneuverability and construction than to navigate this 45 kilo behemoth in a terrain meant for 1:16 scale vehicles. And here is how it went. Enjoy!
Begge to, det er bare lyd.
The engine sound you hear is not from my 105, but from my friend Robert's Armortech Tiger 1. It's a crazy sound system inside the hull, and it can make your ears ring if you stand too close. I will have a sound system in my 105 eventually. The 105 passed a narrow and hilly track with flying colors. I was running the model, aka the 18-volt screwdrivers, on the low speed, high torque setting the entire time, and it can really crawl very slow. As for now, I'm trying to figure out a way to make the long and heavy barrel of the 105 elevate in a nice and strong way, and also how to move it when recoiling. When that is done, a few details are still missing, and then it's time for paint. Other than that, I'm working on a winter project that I will be covering more in a while. Thanks for watching!